Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling the Acer Nitro XV275K P3BIIPRUZX monitor and sharing the best settings to optimize it for 2025. If you're a gamer, content creator, or just love crisp visuals, this monitor's 27-inch 4K UHD display with up to 160Hz refresh rate can seriously level up your setup. Let's dive right in so you can get the most out of it quickly. First off, start with the basics. Set your resolution to 3840 by 2160 for that stunning 4K clarity. This will make everything from games to movies pop, but make sure your graphics card can handle it to avoid performance dips. Next, bump up the refresh rate to 160Hz if your system supports it. This reduces motion blur and makes fast-paced action feel buttery smooth. Now, for color and picture quality, switch to the sRGB mode. It's perfect for accurate colors, especially if you're into photo editing or streaming. Adjust the brightness to around 250 to 300 nits based on your room's lighting. This helps prevent eye strain during long sessions. Don't overlook overdrive settings. Set it to medium to minimize ghosting without introducing artifacts. If you have an AMD graphics card, enable FreeSync Premium for tier-free gaming. It's a game changer for fluid gameplay. Finally, tweak the contrast to about 70 to 80% for better depth in dark scenes, and keep gamma at default for natural visuals. By applying these settings, you'll enhance your monitor's performance, making your 2025 setup future-proof and immersive. If you found this helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.